This electric vehicle adapter is special because of its flexibility. So when it comes time to charge your electric vehicle, you're going to have more options than you did before.
So let's talk about what makes this device special. So this is specifically designed to convert a NEMA 650 outlet to a NEMA 1450 female connector for plugging in an EV charging system. This is a durable and secure adapter joint that ensures a tight bond, providing stability, reliability, and peace of mind. So the benefits of having a NEMA adapter is that you can charge this anywhere. With the adapter, charging is really effortless and allows you to find a suitable charging spot in places that maybe you didn't have access to before. So if you struggle with plug fit issues, if you're having problems fitting your plugs, this is going to definitely help with that. The adapter ensures compatibility and a seamless charging experience. It's also safe and stable. Using adapters provides safety and convenience without the need for any wiring or socket modifications, so you can really have peace of mind while effortlessly expanding your charging options. So this is just under 6.5 ounces. The product dimensions are 13 by 3.5 by 2.7 inches. This is heavy duty because inside is pure copper, and that pure copper prevents the cable from overheating due to prolonged use. The heavy-duty ropes are resistant to cold and heat and remain flexible in extreme temperatures. So these types of outlets are commonly used for electric welders and some electric vehicle charging stations. If you have a Tesla, for example, you're going to be able to charge your Tesla at full speed, and this is just over 1 pound. In fact, it's 1.32 pounds. So I like that this is going to give you that flexibility, and you know that you have high quality materials in there, including that STW jacket. It's heavy duty, has the pure copper, and then that excellent versatility. You can move it from right to left, and if you're in a place that has obstacles, this is definitely going to help with that. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.